Hey, what's up you guys? Vlog number 2. I just got back from work. I've been there since like 7 this morning. I did not sleep at all last night. For some reason, whenever I have something in the morning that's not part of my regular routine, I do not sleep the night before. Like, I don't know why. I'm very tired right now. I don't feel like doing anything. However, I know that I need to do at least some things to get ready for Germany. I just want to accomplish at least a little something to prepare for the trip every day, and I should be good by the time it gets here. Here's my cat that has been nudging me. She enjoys sitting on my table and counter, just basically anywhere that she can be like next to me, and I know that might be gross, but I love her, and we'll clean it later. The plan for today is to probably go and get all my travel toiletries, you know, like the little shampoos and like little soap bottles and stuff. I need to get, well, actually I need to like sit down and figure out what I need to get. Okay, so I made a list on my phone. Obviously just things like shampoo, conditioner, soap, mouthwash, toothpaste. You get the gist of it. It's not that exciting of stuff, but for some reason I just really love buying those little miniature things. It's just fun. I only want to lay down and take a nap right now. I'm gonna power through. First, I think I'm gonna take a shower, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. Here I am laying in bed. I literally just started videoing like 10 minutes ago. And I was all like, oh, I'm gonna go do things, and I need to get this done and that done. But all I want to do is lay down, but I'm gonna power through. Hello, laying down, ready to take a nap, of course. I will go do the things. I promise. I will go do the things. I need to go do the things. I also have no idea what the freaking heck I'm doing with this vlogging thing, but we're gonna keep doing it anyways and just see what happens. But yeah, so here I am cuddling with Theo Henry. He's got his little bow and he's looking all dapper. So I'm gonna take a nap. We'll just have to see. But yeah, here we are right now. So okay, well, update. I took like an hour nap. I'm gonna power through. Looks like it's about to rain. Just looks kind of rainy out there. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. I think that's what's holding me back. Something about wearing black shirts, like this kind of t-shirt material, makes me feel like I need to take a shower. I think it's because like if I don't have a lint roller right on me, then I feel like the shirt is dirty because I can't lint roll it. And like this shirt doesn't even really have much on it. Like there's just a few random stringy things, but it's up there's the rain. It's coming a downpour. I don't want to get my head wet. However, I do need to get my little travel toiletry things, and I also need to get some food for later tonight because I have absolutely no food in my house, to be honest. So, wow, it's like actually really pouring. You did great, Rach. Oh, lightning. Okay. I need an umbrella, definitely. Yeah. It legit looks like I have a small waterfall outside of my window. Let me just give you a little shot here. No big deal. I just like to have waterfalls in the outside of my windows. I don't know about you people, but while I was in the shower, I remembered that I actually have some travel minis from when I went to Nevada not very long ago. Shampoo and conditioner right here, and I just filled them back up to where it was full with like the shampoo and conditioner that was in my shower. I have my face wipes, obviously my little toothbrush, mouthwash, toothpaste, which moisturizer. This is facial cleanser. Got my little tweezers, razor. And for soap, I just have this soap container with these 3 bars of like natural soap. Obviously this was a good thing because that saves some money, and however much that saves, that's money I can spend doing something in Germany. Never mind on taking a trip to the store for those things because I have them already. But what I don't have is food, and so I'm still gonna face the weather and I'm gonna go get me some food because I'm getting hungry. Let's go. Bye. Bye. Say goodbye to me. Love me. Alright. I passed a bunch of restaurants and didn't end up getting any food because I just don't really feel like eating, even though I am hungry. Today just hasn't been a great day in general, so I think I'm just kind of down, and I would much rather just go to bed and wait for tomorrow. Thank you all so much for watching. I will check back in with another vlog soon. Getting closer and closer to Germany. Okay, bye.